Okay, just a quick video on how to create multiple pairings bid groups. I've started a quick one here, just telling PBS, give me any pairings that are international, and then anything domestic from 7,000 to 8,999, limit 1. If I don't say anything else here, PBS will go into the available pairings pool, award pairings, and complete my block for me. But I don't want it to do that. So I will add the bid line under instructions, clear sked start next bid group, add, and that line will always default to be the last line of any bid group that you put it into. So now if I don't say anything else, PBS is going to go into the embedded bid group here and complete my block with none of my bid choices in it. So I don't want that. I actually want to add another bid group with more options in it. There's two ways to create another bid group. I can either go to add bid group, select pairings bid group, and then I've got another bid group and I would start from scratch. I would like to do it the quick way, so let's delete that line. And I'd like to copy this bid group. In order to highlight this bid group, click on the first bid line. I like to think of the first bid line of every bid group as the title. So click on the title, copy, and simply paste. Now you've got two identical bid groups on top of each other. Select the line you'd like to add or edit. And I'm going to just choose to edit this one just to keep it simple here. I'm going to change the limit to 2. So now I've got one bid group where I'm limiting the domestic pairings to 1. Second bid group, I'm limiting it to 2. All the lines are identical. Now I want a third bid group. I'm just going to hit paste because I already copied the other bid group. And I've got the same bid group that I copied earlier. I'm going to edit this bid line and change it to 3. Now I've got 3 bid groups, opening it up more as you go down. A lot of people I see make the mistake of taking away from the second bid group, and then their third bid group is like the bare minimum. It's the opposite that you should be doing. First bid group is the dream bid that you would like. Second bid group is the dream bid that you would like, plus more options. Third bid group is the dream bid that you would like, plus more options. So open it up by adding things, not taking them away. If you choose to keep the clear sked start next bid group in your last bid group, you'd better put another bid group underneath. If it's not a pairings bid group that you choose for it to be, you can tell PBS to go to reserve. So in order to tell PBS to go to reserve, you go to add bid group, and we add the line award reserve. We do not recommend using the max above feature in PBS right now because it is too unpredictable to know where you're going to sit on reserve. So add, so it just simply says award reserve. Now you need to add a reserve bid group. Reserve bid group, add, and here you have a reserve bid group. Now you need some bid options in that reserve bid group. Let's just say weekends off. And don't bother with the minimum, we'll just leave that blank. We just want all weekends. So PBS will try and give you as many weekends off as possible. So bid group number 1, sweet and simple, exactly what I want. Bid group number 2, I've added more to it by adding up the limit. Bid group number 3, more to the limit for the domestic pairings. And then I'm telling PBS to ignore this bid group, go to reserve. And here I've just basically said weekends off. You also have the option of adding the number of GDOs that you would like, as few as 2, as many as 11, anywhere in between. If you say nothing, PBS will default to 6 GDOs. Never more than 3 splits of GDOs within a reserve block.